Bonita is a nice little community. It's it's north of Naples, just south of South Fort Myers, and this house is about 3 miles from the beach. So if you notice Colton, he is a very good operator. What he's doing here is he's crunching up the house and keeping everything he can inside the envelope of the house. The reason that you do that is it makes loading the dumpsters easier, and it creates having these little cavities in the dumpster loads, which makes us have to go to the dump more times. So here he is backing in, or here is our driver backing in the 65-yard end dump. This is a $100,000 trailer. It's a real godsend. So if you notice, as he loads this, he's going to make sure that the pieces are not too big, therefore making cavities in the dumpster, and also so that they don't hang out over the side and interfere with the tarping system. So Colton's very methodical. He will load this either front to back or back to front, and that's the way he makes sure that he's getting a really full load. He'll also push it down as he's going with the bucket and try to make sure that the cavities, there are very few cavities. So pretty much this whole house looks like it's going to fit into 2 loads of this 65-yard end dump. So here's the end dump at the dump, dumping the load that you just seen him load up. And this is a construction debris dump. You notice there's no birds or any critters running around like you would see if you went to the landfill where they bring the garbage. The garbage invites the critters because there's foodstuffs and things like that. So if you notice, he's keeping everything he can inside of the envelope of the house. And that right there looks like it's concrete, but it's really not. Oh, actually it is concrete. I take it back. So, it's a mixture of concrete and wood. So what he's got to do here is he's getting that out of the way. So to make your demos be more profitable, if you separate your materials and you put your C&D in one load and you put your concrete in one load, the difference for the dump fees is significant. The C&D dump is $65 a ton. If you took the concrete to that same dump at $65 a ton, you would not make a profit on tearing this house down. It will cost too much to dump it. So if you keep your concrete and your C&D, your C&D is basically your framing and your carpet and your roofing and your drywall and all that stuff. You keep it separate, it makes a big difference at the end of the day as far as what you get to make. So right now he's getting the rest of the foundation out, and this is a pretty simple house, not very complicated, and the footers are small, so it's not a big workover. So now the one dumpster you see there in the front, it's got all the metal in it, and the other dump that you see came in, that's our rock dump. We use that to haul concrete and rocks. It's a heavier duty trailer. It's designed to take the pounding you get with the concrete. So meanwhile, he's putting the finishing touches on this, and here you go. He's getting the last bit of concrete out, and then both the guys are going to run the trucks. So this is probably the next morning, and here he is. He's going to smooth everything out, get it nice and smooth enough to bring the skid steer and smooth it all out. Then they'll be loading up the truck and loading up the trailer. There's the last dumpster, and then this metal dumpster will be the very last. And that's the end product. So we're going to continue to keep bringing this kind of content. I'm looking for input. If you have anything that you're looking to see, we do a lot of demos in this marketplace. We do about 2,000 demos between houses and interior demolitions and junk removals every year. So just kind of showing you the inside of what we do. It's kind of neat, kind of interesting, kind of fun, and we'd love it if you'd subscribe and leave us a like, and leave any comments down below, and I'll respond to them. Thank you.